Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collage your videos in CapCut Mobile. So first you can start by clicking on the new project and add 3 horizontal videos. So in here, I've already selected 3 videos, and next you can just click on Collage. And you'll be directed to this collage page, so you can just select your format. I'm going to go with this horizontal format, and for the ratio choose 9:16, and after that just click on continue and you'll be directed to the editing page. So in here you can just adjust the length of the clip to have the same duration. For example, here I'm going to split the first clip and delete the rest of the video, and you can just do the same for the rest of the clip like this, so it has the same duration. And this is it, the collage videos in CapCut. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.